Hello my money makers, take a look at these tiny world miniature videos. Aren't they adorable? Super adorable. Your tech mom has done her own job and I have cracked the code on how to create this kind of video. Mind you, you can post this video across all the platforms. My time to go through all the pages that post this kind of videos. Their views are ranking from 1.something million and above. And guess what? In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this. Can I tell you that this is the only tutorial that you need to master this kind of niche? This is a fresh niche. It is not yet saturated. And I want to use this opportunity to say something. If you are in a trending niche, maybe some AI animation trending niche, make sure that you are able to follow the trend. As soon as each trend stops, start with the next trend so that you can stay relevant and your channel will keep pushing. Because it is a fresh and untapped niche, if you jump in early to start it, you will make a lot of money from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, even before other people start jumping into it. Yes. Why waste your time in a mentally exhausting job you barely make ends meet? Talk more of savings. When someone can just wake up, work on something like in just few hours and be making thousands of dollars, maybe 1 hour to 2 hours, and be making 50 times what you are making without too much pressure or too much stress. Now, can I bust your bubble? There are many YouTubers making 6 figures just in few years. Honestly, if it is possible for me to be doing all the niches that I'm teaching, I bet you I would have been breaking a lot of banks, honestly. Now, my goal is to help you, especially those people struggling with their job, people that doesn't have anything doing, and people who have, but they're not really happy in their job, they are mentally drained. I'm here to help you build your 6 figures, even on YouTube here, without much stress. And if you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur showing you exactly how you can make money legitimately, especially through content creation, without showing your face. Yeah. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification so that whenever I drop a post, you'll be the first person that will see it.
Now, the first step is generating ideas. How do we come up with different ideas? What kind of things can we include? What should we add? How should the workers appear? So all these things matters when you are trying to curate this content. Now, I don't want you to overthink it. That is why you have me here. I have prepared a well-detailed prompt for you that you can reuse. Go to my WhatsApp channel, download it from the Google Docs.
Now let me show you what I have on my Google Docs. These are prompts ideas for getting such videos. Another way you can do this is by screenshotting any of the videos wherever you see it and taking it to ChatGPT. Let me show you. So if you come to ChatGPT, you tap on this icon here. You add the image of that particular one that you want to generate, just like this. So you can just write it this way. Can you analyze this image and give me the detailed prompt for this miniature video? You hit on generate. ChatGPT will do that for you. Look at what ChatGPT gave us. But for the sake of this class, I have already prepared a prompt for you. You don't need to stress yourself again. Now, this is my Google Docs. You can have access to all these image prompts that you can use to generate your own image. You can see them in different actions. You can see them performing different actions. First of all, copy this first prompt right for me. Just copy it this way. So you are going to paste it here. Paste. It will start generating. Now ChatGPT have given us 10 different ideas. So in case if you are asking me how I do come up with my own prompts, it is ChatGPT that I use to come up with it. So I have already prepared that for you on my Google Docs. Here are them here. Okay. So after getting our script ideas, the next thing is to convert it to image. For this, we are going to use TensorArt. So this is tensor.art. You click on it. Now click on create. You see creation. You will see text to image, image to image, text to video, image to video. So these websites automatically have all these things, whether you are converting image to video, you are converting text to video, or you are converting text to image. All of them are here. So go ahead and tap on text to image. That is what we want to do. You copy the prompt from my Google Docs and paste here. And if you generate by yourself, you can copy it from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now, I forgot to say this, when you sign up, they will give you some free credits. If your credit finish, you can go ahead and change multiple emails. And if you like their website, please go ahead and subscribe. Now, this is where you do the proper setting. This is portrait, this is landscape, this is square. We are going to make use of portrait. Okay, you can see it is automatic sampling steps. Okay, you hit generate. I have to sign in. So once you signed in, you go ahead and click generate. Verify. Now here is the first one that it generated for me. I'll click on it. I'll go ahead and save it. It will start saving. You can see it here. So I copied another one. I want to paste it here. Now this is another one. I'll go ahead and download it. Now, apart from these two, we can also use Leonardo AI, and I know that a lot of you are familiar with Leonardo AI. Now sign into your Leonardo AI. As you can see, you go ahead and paste the prompt, choose flux. Come to this place, choose flux dev, and then hit on create. It will start creating. It will bring out 4 different images. Here is our image. Now these are the images. You can go ahead and download them. Download. Now, if you want to do some settings here using your phone, you know that this image came out in a landscape format. You cannot set it here. Before you can set it to a portrait format, you have to switch this to a desktop site. Just tap on the 3 dots like this. You'll find this desktop site here. Click on it. It will bring out the desktop interface for you. So this is it. Now this is where you can now change it to have the portrait frame. This is the portrait frame. You can even click here and you see more. You see Facebook frame, Twitter frame, TikTok frame. You can go ahead and click on Facebook frame. Okay, let's go with mobile 9:16. So before you now click on generate. Okay, so this is it. You go ahead and download the 3 of them or the 4 of them.
The next stage is for us to generate our video. Think AI is the best AI tool to use and generate your videos, but it takes longer time to generate. So we're going to make use of Hello AI. Tap on it on your Google, Hello AI. You click on the plus icon. I believe you are familiar with Hello AI. Now click on this image, upload image. Let's go ahead and upload one of the images that we downloaded. So go ahead and paste the exact prompt that you used to generate the image. Paste it in this box and hit on generate. It's generating. Now here is our video. If you don't like what it generated, try another image and try to twist the prompt, okay? Now you go ahead and download it from here. It will start downloading. Once you are done, you take it to CapCut for editing. This way, you crop out this watermark. This way. Then, now lest I forgot, if you are trying to get all these things, make sure that you get the first story scenes. The first one, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 to 10. To 10, that's where the first related scene stops. Now the second related scene starts from Tiny Loop Jack. So each one, generate them differently and take them to CapCut and match them as a video. When you are done with the images as well, match them together. The next thing is to add your background music, okay? Now you can adjust the speed, reduce it to the size you want.
The same thing with this one. You add the effects here. You can just add this one or something like mix. Let's go with mix. So that is it. So you're going to add the scenes. There are 10. Each of them you add the scenes, okay, as it's supposed to be, together. Then you will generate it with the video as well. So this is it. You go ahead and add background sound. You can get that from YouTube library. Just head over to studio.youtube.com. If you come to this place, you see this icon, this music icon here. They wrote it audio library. Click on it. Tap on it. So this is it here. You pick the sound that suits the image. You pick the sound that goes well with you. Let's play. Download. Once you download it, it will go to your audio file and stay. Let's go back to CapCut. Now this is CapCut. You bring in your audio, go to sounds, go to file, go to device. Now you have to add something like the zoom effect on these videos. We have added our sound scenes. Okay, before you go to the zoom effect, you can add a background sound as well. If you don't want to download from YouTube library, you can just come to this audio, go to sound effect and type miniature. They'll bring a lot of sound, just 2 sounds here. So you can go ahead and add the one you want. Okay, so that's it. Then another thing is adding the zoom effect. If you go to this effect here, you go to video effect, you will search for zoom. So we are going to reduce the speed and the range as well. Okay, I think the range should come, but just the speed should be reduced. Okay, go back. So let's drag it to this place. It should be at the end of this video. Let me show you. So exactly like this, that is how you can do your own. Remember, when you are working, be looking at their own and be doing your own. Good luck.